We begin this practice in child's pose. So have the knees slightly apart, have the big toes touching. Go ahead and walk the hands forward, let the belly rest towards the floor, let the chest soften and lower, and let the head rest either on the hands or on the mat. Allow the breath to deepen, a little longer inhale, a little longer exhale. Quickly checking into the body, how does it feel today? Feeling that connection of the body to the floor, the hands and the legs, the head. And gently press yourself up onto all fours. Spread the fingers wide here, hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Taking a nice deep inhale, we'll take cat and cow. As you inhale, you're lifting the chest, lifting the tailbone, drop the belly, arch the spine. And as you exhale, curl, chin to the chest, tailbone tucks. Inhale, begin moving out, lifting the chest, lifting the tailbone. And as you exhale, beginning to curl around, chin to the chest, press the floor away. We'll do this 3 more times. You can follow your own breath, go at your own pace. And bringing your spine back to neutral on your next exhale. Make your way down onto your belly. And take the hands just behind the shoulders, drawing the shoulders back, elbows squeeze into the body, and gently pressing the tops of the feet into the floor. We're going to use the back muscles to lift the head, lift the chest up. Just a nice, easy, gentle baby cobra. And exhale again, lower. You can bring the forehead to the floor. On an inhale, lifting up. You don't have to go so high, but you do want to feel the back muscles engaging. And exhale, lower. Forehead to the floor. Inhale, lift up. This time we're going to hold in cobra for a few breaths. So not holding the breath, inhale, let the body lift a little bit, and exhale, let the belly soften and lower, but we're not lowering all the way down. On your next exhale, lower belly, chest, head to the floor, and take a few breaths here, just resting. Breathe into the back of the body. Bringing the hands back alongside the chest. Go ahead and tuck the toes. Come up in through tabletop and move all the way into downward facing dog. So keeping the fingers spread wide. Go ahead and lift the hips. You can have a little bend in the knees, it's okay. Maybe pedal the legs out. See how the backs of the legs are feeling today. And then we hold here for 5 breaths. Let the belly soften, let the chest soften, hips lift up, press firmly into the hands, create a little more length in the spine, release in the low back. And bring the knees back down to the floor. Once again, finding that neutral spine.
And feel that connection, the palms to the floor, knees to the floor, and create a little bit more stability and support through the hands and through the feet. Now on an inhale, you're going to lift up the right hand. And then on your next inhale, lift up the left leg. Exhale, lower. Inhale the left arm up. Keep that stability and support. Inhale the left leg up. And exhale, lower. Now inhale, lift the right arm and left leg. Reach through the fingertips and back through the toes. Exhale. Inhale, left arm and right leg. And exhale, lower. We're going to do this about 6 more times. You can follow your own breath. Inhale, you're lifting up, and exhale, lower. But see if you can keep that connection, the breath with the movement, and bring a bit of stability and balance into the body. Keeping the neutral spine. We're not moving the spine. Core engaged. Allowing the body to move slow enough to feel stable and supported. We'll do the last one on each side. And bring the spine back to neutral. Take a breath here. Extend the right leg behind you, so tuck the back toes. Extend the left leg. Coming into plank, and we're just going to hold plank here for about 5 breaths. Make your inhale a little longer, a little deeper, and the exhale a little longer. On your next exhale, bring the knees to the floor and lower down once again to the mat. Lifting the head, extend the hands behind you. On an inhale, begin to lift the legs and lift the arms. And release, lower. You can lower the head too. On an inhale, lifting the head and chest up, lift the legs, lift the arms. Breathe here, don't hold the breath. And release. Last time, whenever you're ready, on an inhale, lift up. And release. Drop the head to the floor, turn the head to one side, and let the body relax completely. From here, come up to support yourself on your forearms. Your left hand is going to move over to the right side, so just so that you can feel a little more support from that left hand. And then we're going to bend the right knee, reach the right arm back, and hold on to the top of the foot or the ankle. Coming into a half bow, press into the forearm, lift the chest, and then lift the right leg up. And it doesn't matter so much how high it lifts. We're just kicking the foot away from the body, right shoulder relaxed, and release. We'll do that one more time on this side. Whenever you're ready, on an inhale, lift the right leg up, gently pressing that left hand down and letting the chest lift up. And release. We take it onto the other side, right elbow to the floor, and then the right hand just kind of rests over to the left side. We bend the left knee, hold on to the top of the left foot. Use that right arm to gently press the body, lift the chest, and then lift the left leg up. foot moves away from the body. And release. Take a breath or two here. And we try that one more time. Using the right arm, lift the chest, and then lift the leg. Steady breath. And release. Release both legs down. Once again, bring the forehead to the floor. And rest, relax, breathe into the upper back body. Coming into Super Locust now. Take the chin down towards the floor. You can take the hands alongside the body, or maybe hands by the chest for a little extra support. Begin by lifting the right leg up, so you're going to lift the hip and bend the left knee. And you're just going to support the right leg with the left foot. Take a few breaths here. And release. Take a breath in neutral. And then let's try it on the other side. Whenever you're ready, inhaling, lifting the left leg, hip up, bend the right, and then support your left leg with the right foot. And release. Great job. Once again, just rest the head down, relax the body, relax the arms. And then lift up into Sphinx pose. Bring the elbows underneath the shoulders. Palms facing the ground. And gently pressing down into the hips and the belly, we'd have a little lift in the chest. Shoulders draw down away from the ears. Five breaths. Deep inhale, little longer exhale. And now we move into child's pose. Gently pressing yourself back up. Little space between the knees. Go ahead and lower the hips. Lower the belly. Lower the chest. Lower the head.